From now, the 9 headlines at 9 first. Parliament showdown worsens on the last day of the monsoon session. Women opposition MPs alleged being manhandled by marshals in the Rajya Sabha. Union Minister Piyush Goyal claims an attempt was made to strangle a lady marshal. Parliament passes the OBC bill unanimously, even as the monsoon session ends 2 days before schedule. After a complete washout, Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu breaks down in the House, claiming he's disturbed over the MP's unruly conduct. 10 dead, 14 rescued after a horrifying landslide in Himachal's Kinnaur. Nearly 30 people still feared buried. Maharashtra announces major COVID relaxations. Fully vaccinated people will now be allowed in local trains and malls. Restaurants to open with 50% capacity till 10 p.m. Government offices can open fully. Private offices at 50%. The Uddhav Thackeray government institutes a new Rajiv Gandhi Award for Excellence in Maharashtra's IT sector. Decision comes days after centre renames top sporting honour after hockey legend Dhyan Chand removing Rajiv's name. Rumblings in the Karnataka cabinet. Minister Anand Singh refuses to take charge of his ministry even as the chief minister tries to placate him. 3 MLAs in Delhi to lobby for cabinet berths to put pressure on Chief Minister Bommai. Delhi government schools to now teach an international curriculum after signing an agreement with the IB board. New syllabus for 30 schools first on a pilot basis. And Bharat Biotech's Covaxin to get WHO authorization by the end of August. 6 vaccines have WHO nod so far. And violence in Afghanistan escalates as the Taliban captures 3 more provincial capitals. Afghan army chief is replaced amidst the crisis.